Okay, let's go.
Check out this new listing.
Welcome to 1686 Greenleaf Avenue in Des Plaines. This beautiful 4-bedroom single-family home offers over 3,000 square feet of flexible living space, designed for comfort and long-term living. Step inside to a grand 2-story foyer, hardwood floors, and a bright open-concept layout filled with natural light. Enjoy an amazing living area with a double-sided fireplace, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The spacious kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar, opening to a casual dining space. Sliding doors lead to a private backyard retreat with a brick paver patio, ideal for relaxing, hosting, or play. Upstairs, a versatile loft and spacious bedrooms provide comfort and flexibility. The primary suite offers walk-in closets and a spa-inspired bathroom, creating the perfect retreat. Complete with a rare 3-car garage, full basement, and a prime location near parks, dining, and Metra. This home has it all. Schedule your private tour today. Call me today, 773-550-4846.